So, the missing side is letter A. Ang formula natin for Pythagorean theorem, pag nawawala yung A, is A squared is equal to C squared minus B squared. So, ayun, ililipat lang natin. C is equivalent to 10 squared minus B is equivalent to 8 squared. So, yan siya. A squared is equals to 100 minus 64. The square root of 10 is 100 and the square root of 8 is 64. A squared is equals to 100 minus 64 is equivalent to 36. We'll just have to square root the two terms in order to eliminate the square. So A squared, square root of A squared is A and square root of 36 is 6. A is equivalent to 6. So, dito sa example na to, this example, the missing side is letter B. A and C are given. A is equivalent to 6, C is equivalent to 10. So, just like what I've said, lagi naman na papalitan lang natin. B squared is equals to C is 10 minus A is 6. B squared, the square of 10 is 100 minus the square of 6 is 36. B squared is equals to 64. Again, get the square root of both terms. B is equals to 8. Right triangle trigonometry. So, yung longest side is the hypotenuse. Yung the other side ng, this is the reference angle. From here, the opposite is this one. The adjacent side is the one attached to the 90 degrees. Alright. So, in order to get the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and secant. Sorry, ulit. Angle trigonometry. The longest side is the hypotenuse, and the two legs, this one is the adjacent, the one attached to the 90 degrees, and the other one is the opposite side, opposite of from the reference angle. In order to get the sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent, we need to use the SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA stands for SO, S is sine, O is opposite, H is for hypotenuse. So, the sine, for ka, the cosine, cos, adjacent, and then again, H, hypotenuse. And for tangent, T for tangent, O for opposite, A for adjacent. That is the meaning of SOHCAHTOA. So, sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Now, how are we going to get the secant theta, the cosecant, and the cotangent? We'll have to use another method, which is the Cho, siya, cow. Cho, siya, cow. Yung kabaligtaran ng sign, yung cosine na ng cotangent, ay yung secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Dito, cosecant theta, secant, and tangent. Nakuha na natin yung cosine, sine, tsaka tangent. Paano naman natin kukunin yung cosecant, secant, and tangent? We need to use another method, which is the Shoshakou. Katulad ng Sokatoa, may meaning din siya. Cho is to cosecant, H is for hypotenuse, O is for opposite. Siya, secant, H, hypotenuse, and then A, adjacent. For cow, this is cotangent, A for adjacent, O for opposite. Now, cosecant naman. Yun na nga. Cosecant is equals to 1 over sine. So, it means kabaligtaran lang siya ng sine. 1 over opposite over hypotenuse. Sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So, it is equals 1 over 1 over opposite over hypotenuse. Magiging magkabaligtad siya. Ito, ang hypotenuse magiging numerator and magiging denominator yung opposite. So, cosecant is equals to 1 hypotenuse over 1 opposite. In general, ang sine is kabaligtaran ng cosecant. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan, pwede nyo namang, pag nakuha nyo na yung sine, cosine, and tangent, pwede nyong baligtarin na lang. Sorry, this is cotangent. For secant naman, siya yung ano ng sine. 1 over cosine theta. 1 over adjacent over hypotenuse is equals to hypotenuse over adjacent. Sa cotangent naman, 1 over cot theta is equals to 1 over opposite over adjacent. Adjacent over opposite. Kung makikita nyo, kabaligtaran lang siya. Again, you can use the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent in order to get the cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So let's have an example. Problem 1. Determine the trigonometric ratios of a triangle with respect to theta. So this is the triangle. Kukunin natin yung sine. Sine is, ano nga ulit yung sine? Just remember the Shoshakou. No, I mean Sokatoa. Siyempre. So the opposite of this side is 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So sine theta is equal to 3 over 5. So let's proceed to cosine. Cosine is hypotenuse over adjacent, right? Hindi, mali. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So, ang adjacent natin is 4, and then ang hypotenuse natin is 5. Lastly, for tangent, TOA, opposite over adjacent. The opposite is 3, and the adjacent is 4. Tangent